Today we are going to see the topic called forest ecosystem, which is the topic given in our first chapter, that is ecosystem and biodiversity. From that chapter, now we are going to see one of the important topic, forest ecosystem. So in this forest ecosystem, what are the types of ecosystem that we have already studied? There are two types of ecosystem. One is natural ecosystem, the other one is artificial ecosystem. Ecosystem is mainly classified into two types. One is natural, the other one is artificial. The natural ecosystem is further classified into two types. One is terrestrial ecosystem, the other one is aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem is further classified into two types. One is marine ecosystem, the other one is freshwater ecosystem. Then the freshwater ecosystem is further classified into two types. One is lotic, the other one is lentic. Lotic, the sense that is moving, running water bodies is known as lotic. Example for lotic is river, stream or spring. Then lentic means standing water body is represented by the term lentic. Here lake, pond or swamp, these are all the examples for lentic water bodies. So this is the outline of ecosystem, that is natural and artificial. Here in this topic, what is ecosystem structure? Ecosystem is having some structure. The important structure of ecosystem is, one is producer. Producer means we know that they can produce their food themselves. The other name is, it is known as autotrophy. The second one is, example for this one is plants, algae. These are all the examples for producer. The second one is consumer. Consumer, the other name is heterotrophy. So they cannot prepare their food themselves. They eat other organisms. This is known as consumer. The next one is decomposer. Decomposer means which eats dead organic matter, bacteria and fungi. These are all the examples for decomposer. So from this, one important topic is forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem is one of the topic comes under the title of natural ecosystem, which is forest ecosystem is one of the terrestrial ecosystem. So first, from this chapter you have to write the first introduction part. From this introduction part, what are the some introduction given in our forest ecosystem? Let us see. The first point is, forest is an area which has high density of trees, which has high density of trees. The second point is, the world total land area is 13,076 million hectares of land surfaces covered by forest, and of which total forest account for about 31% of world land area. In India, the forest cover is roughly approximately it is 19% of total land area. So here this type of forest, it provides numerous environmental services like nutrient cycling, maintaining biodiversity and providing wildlife habitat. So these are all the important services provided by the forest. So the next one is, what are the subtitle, that is structure, component, functions of ecosystem. The first you have to write about the producer organism, second one is consumers, and the third concept is decomposer. Here from the topic of producer organism, producer means we know that all green plants which produce food themselves through photosynthesis. When we come for forest ecosystem, in a forest the producers are mainly trees. Everyone knows that if it is in grassland ecosystem means the producers are grass. Same setup here in the comes under the forest ecosystem. In a forest the producers are mainly trees. The second one is, trees are of different kinds depending upon the type of forest developed in that climate. So depending upon the climate, there are various types of trees are available in a particular forest. So here not only trees, apart from trees, climbers, shrub and ground vegetation is also responsible for this type of producer, that is which can produce food themselves through photosynthesis. The next one is consumers. So in that comes under the topic of consumers. In a forest, consumers are three main types. So what are the three main types of consumers are? One is primary consumer, the other one is secondary consumers, the third one is tertiary consumers. So these are all the subtitles of consumers. So here when come for the primary consumers, they are herbivores which feed directly on producer. So they depends directly producers for their food. With that, such type of consumers known as primary consumers. So example of this one is ants, beetles, bugs, spiders, etc. So feeding on tree leaves. So these are all the examples for primary consumers. Apart from that, large animals such as elephants, deer, giraffe, etc. grazing on fruit and or fruits of trees. So this is the another type of consumers. So here secondary consumers, they are carnivores and feed on primary consumers. So such type of consumer depends on primary consumers for their food. So example of this one is birds, lizards, frogs, snakes and foxes. So the last one is tertiary consumer. They are secondary carnivores and feed on secondary consumers. So they depends on secondary consumers for their food. They include top carnivores like lion and tiger. So these are all the examples for tertiary consumer. Next one is what is called decomposers. Decomposers means they include wide variety of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. So here they attack the dead or decayed bodies of organism and thus decomposition takes place. So this type of decomposed materials is used by soil and which produce a lot of nutrients. And here the last one is abiotic components. Abiotic components which includes non-living components. So these includes basic inorganic and organic compounds present in the soil and atmosphere. So here from this image we can know very well about this structure of ecosystem, forest ecosystem. Here we can see the different types of trees. So produces here different type of tree species which produce food through photosynthesis. So next we come to the concept of consumers. Consumers in a forest ecosystems are, that is here we can see the number of images. So these are all the examples for consumers. The last one is decomposers in a forest ecosystem is bacteria and fungi. So these are all the images for this type of decomposers. Thank you.